if you look me koro or you hear me whine, I be say you turn that gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of Go TV cable, Star Times channel 195, My TV channel 17, and also where you need to just turn your antenna small and you're going to get us live and direct, clean and clear for Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt on top of UHF 57, we people they call terrestrial. And last week Monday we've been dropped one good news. Say based on popular demand, we don't land on top of DSTV for channel 259. So you don't get any excuse not to watch the OGBONGE politics discussion show As E Dey Hot. We also tell you now say those when talk say okay, based on I don't carry my television go everywhere. If you do on top of internet, www.wazobia.tv.tv/live, and you're going to get us live and direct. We don't come again this 31st day in the month of October 2016, and the thing go hot well. My name now Ezugwu Chukwudi. Surprise, my brother. Don't join me back, and the matter will continue.
There is no point surprise. No, I'm still coming back to you. No surprise anything. Good morning, our wonderful viewers today watch us. Then yes, now the program, our program. As E Dey Hot, now don't carry come on our way. Where we go do it, where we go give now the terrible edition of today will be Monday. Where we go give at least all the major stories of what happened over the weekend. Rich and today will be Monday because usually every Friday we do it with the local shop, but we always put our ear for grass so that at least up to date information of what they happen for Nigeria. We will do it with the sunshine our time. We will also open our phone line with that time range so that at least we will also call at least contribute now one quarter to the whole discussion. My name never to change. Even as I go leave or go by official duty, I don't come back. I hear what happened. My name still remains Nkubi.
Which one be you hear what happened? Nkubi,
I hear what happened.
Why you carry fight?
I hear what happened.
I say welcome. You are welcome, my brother.
Don't tell me welcome anything. What are you welcoming me for? I just hear. The news don't even spread around. What did they tell Nigerians? What did they tell people?
I say you go national assignment.
National assignment.
In the interest of our nation.
In the interest of our nation.
Now what do I tell people now?
But which assignment? Because from what people they call me, they tell me, Nkubi, how many times I call you? We don't hear say, they talk say, government give you property. Say you get filling station, you get everything. Come. So say no be say somehow you've been arrested.
Nkubi, this
or you've been kidnapped. Onto this level.
Now people will won't cause problem between us. Now they can't talk this.
Don't even say anything.
Nigerians, my hands are clean.
Please.
I don't even mention anything about me. I did hear people go call say where Nkubi. I go say Nkubi go national assignment.
Oh,
you can start with fight.
You are not acting like an innocent.
National assignment in the interest of our nation.
National assignment. Anything will come out from what needs to be investigated.
Nkubi today.
National assignment for your mouth, Phoebe. Yes, he's been held somewhere.
What did I do? Why they attack me now?
He's been held somewhere.
Nkubi,
that's what it means. Apart from that, you're also very wicked. I be say when I leave, when I come out here, say I do this thing, they carry when this thing. That period, you know, say go invite ladies, women, come on top of this program. If I there say we could invite lady, you go talk say why do we need to invite a lady? We cannot do. But now throughout your stay, you can't bring in ladies, different ladies, different women of great personalities. Because of my absence.
So that waiting they pay you be this. No, you don't talk your mind now.
No.
Because ladies come.
2 in 1. Two.
Ladies come, now I make you the best.
Don't worry.
Okay, now make we go
don't
break.
Worry.
No,
don't
make we go break.
Go break.
So because of ladies come. No, you don't talk about your mind.
I'm coming with a lot of you.
Who could be today is a Monday now?
Make we go break.
I'm a peaceful man. Why you going to attack me now? Why you going to attack me?
Why not attack you?
Why you going to attack me?
Why not attack you?
For latest yarns and tori from your Sempe programs wey dey on top Wazobia TV, waka like Okogan, enter Twitter at Wazobia TV NG. Wetin you dey wait for?
It's another beautiful day, another time for the Talk ladies.
Now, then we talk about babies, where after 8 days, you understand?
8 days sometimes.
They want circumstance, the children almost died. Now, talk about a 14-year-old child.
Sun, they shine everybody. This program, you don't go shine only for good or for bad.
If he tell you this, I'll say, you're like my younger sister. Just reject it.
I mean, she said the country don't broke. Another one said the country don't broke. Even EMB said the country don't broke. Yeah? Guy. That might change where you bring that.
If I go there back now, talk to Mama. Mo show mo keke now, no be small pikin. That talk we talk now no make sense. No supposed to come out from your mouth.
65% of all these popular artists receive that background beat.
To talk not be bad thing, but make you know what they talk about.
What? One house party madness.
Yeah, I'm on top of the world, baby.
My cool FM.
We rock.
Yeah.
I love music.
Non-stop, all-day music.
That.
Hits after hits. Just for you.
We love Cool FM.
Your favorite radio station.
You? If it's new and trendy.
You know it's Cool FM.
Your number one
Hit music station. Cool 96.9 FM.
Yes, and welcome back to the program now, As E Dey Hot. Another terrible edition. Today will be Monday. I will now don't carry come on our way. We'd always tell and say, yes, As Dey Hot, the only political program where we say, where they sunshine now. They give now up-to-date information of what they happen for Nigeria because we know they hide our own mouth. We talk about CB. And if they watch us for free to air channel 57, Go TV channel 98, Star Times channel 195, My TV channel 17, and if you also they watch us for DSTV channel 295 or for that is online www.wazobiatv.tv/live. Now ask it the hot. Make I carry and give Chukwudi because I get the first story. Make I even allow and make it even give us story before we enter into the issues. Come also ask him. Waiting and waiting me to carry for mine while I was away against me. Go ahead.
Nkubi, no, you need to. What will be all this one now?
Give us story.
Why are you violent?
What is violent? What do you mean by I'm being violent?
Why you going to attack me? Say we carry story come from
Give
weekend.
story. Give story. Give us the first story. Make we move on.
Our first story get to do with the 29.96 billion, roughly 30 billion US dollars. When we say the president talk say in they go, the National Assembly go collect approval for. Everybody recall say Tuesday 25th of October 2016, gist been come out say Oga Presido go carry waka go meet the National Assembly to seek approval to collect $30 billion loan. People come and talk say wetin exactly they want use this loan for. Government come talk say they see say Nigerians they suffer and they want use this money invest in certain areas when we say plenty people go begin to see plenty improvement for their life. They talk say for infrastructure like the construction of roads, construction of homes when we say families go to live. They also talk about the fact that they want to improve power, the healthcare, education, and plenty other areas like that. Plenty Nigerians talk say this is a good idea. But people go look say, okay, loan now money where you they borrow. And if you borrow this money, you must pay back this money. They go come back and talk say, okay, if we dey borrow money to use do certain things, shall we get plan to use pay this money back? People go even come back and talk say, enough is enough with coming to say Nigerians are suffering. We want to go and borrow money to do this. They talk say make we give us waiting day specific when they want use the money do. If we talk say one build road, may they give us the place when the road go there. May they give us when they go start. May they give us when they go finish. Make Nigerians know exactly because this will be the first time when government will go collect money, talk say they want to do things, and if they do the things, Nigerians know they see them at all. And it can't be like say the legislature, that is the National Assembly, and the executive, when led by Oga Presido, they won't get some kind of fight because they can't talk say the executive can't talk say they're not there in a hurry to approve that money. They must check and to see everything when they inside. So we can't talk say this one be like another WWE showdown when it go happen. But to talk of As E Dey Hot, we dey watch. We go see what thing the Nkubi won't use that money do.
Oh, you are trying to switch over the.
I'm not switching. I'm giving it to you.
You know,
no, give us the second story. No, give us the second story.
No, try.
Give us the second story.
Try break.
Give us the second story.
From
give us the second story. Now where are you today? We go tell us what I want use that money do. Shall I don't do the first one? Give us the second story.
Just hold on.
You only you get fight.
Oh.
No, I'm ready for you.
You are removing.
I'm removing it. Continue. Me and you.
Yes, the next story we'll get for now. The story of Oga Dasuki, that is a former that is NSA this thing, that Nigeria National Security Advisor this thing of the former government, that is Oga Jonah. And come and talk say he go present Oga Jonah, that is the Oga former president, as waiting as a witness for this particular 2.2 billion naira arms deal. Where they don't do it, where did they hold on for? Say make it do it, make it release the money, make it release the money. But Oga Jonah on his own side don't come out also one time come talk say hey, on top of this particular matter, say one believe say Oga Dasuki feed keep that kind of money on top of himself. Anyway, Oga Dasuki talk say make Oga Jonah come do it and come bear and witness say this money say he is innocent of it. Make we do it. Our own figures they cross. We really go. We follow the story to know where and how, and where this particular money, where he put her to. I'll hear the ground. I'll go see the end of this particular matter.
From that particular story, we will talk about Boko Haram, Jaguda people. Everybody knows that for the past 6 years, for inside of Nigeria, we dey fight against Boko Haram, Jaguda badness. This is what we can call them Boko Haram. Cat with 9 lives. Now, question mark. The reason why we ask this question is because of say, in the recent past, we don't see say, okay, well, this Boko Haram Jaguda people, when we say our gallant soldier people and the civilian JTF don't pursue, enter inside bush, they don't begin, they come out small. We call they ask. Shall it be like say we don't reduce the hand when we use they tidy them? I mean, it be like say their power don't they come back because for inside Maiduguri, the capital of Borno State, on Sunday and on Saturday, some kind of badness been won't happen and the thing been happen. On Saturday when they talk say, some kind of young girls say they carry bomb enter inside Maiduguri for 2 different places. We hear Boa for inside the city. They talk say by the time when them account finish, 9 people don't die, 24 people don't die injured. On Sunday, one kind of Boko Haram with a bad man, he carry bomb for body too. One sneak enter inside, but our gallant soldier people will get eagle eye. They see him, they tell him he stop, he no stop. They tell him he stop, he no stop. They tell him he stop, he no stop. And so they can't give him tour. He can't lie down for ground. We call it talk say government need to do more. The people of Nigeria need to do more. How the people go do more? How government go do more? When we throw the phone lines open, you go call us. You go tell us your mind based on AS E DEY HOT.
Yes, and from them we go enter straight to the APC, the acting national publicity secretary of the ruling party, that is APC. Wait, what was that for?
It was in my throat.
No. No, what was that for?
I don't go feel clear my throat.
Why you first laugh?
Which one be why I first laugh?
No, why you first laugh?
My cough brings laughter.
No, I don't know your cough.
You can't know my cough. Is it your cough? How will you know my cough?
Well, I never even mentioned something. Don't they laugh? What did they laugh for? No, before they what you first do? Don't be laugh first.
Don't be laugh. Now cough. I dey kickstart the cough.
You kickstart the cough.
Now I'm kickstarting it.
Cough. You go the kickstart and they go.
I back to sender.
Oh,
back to sender. Back to sender.
No, it's not
back to sender.
No, it's not laugh.
Back to sender. Back to sender.
I never give you just a laugh. What did they laugh for?
Continue.
Mind yourself, oh. Just respect yourself.
Continue.
I don't come back now.
Continue.
If you think you've had freedom in the past, that freedom not there again. Oh.
Continue.
As I talk, the national publicity secretary of the ruling party, that is APC, Oga Timi Frank, don't come and talk, say, Oga Oyegun, John Oyegun, say make you not come and call the talk, say the crisis of what did they happen for our political parties. See now because of say some people get one kind of interest ahead of 2019. Say the major problem, because I took the total, the major problem, say now him, maybe John Oyegun, now be the problem, now they scatter the party. Say, hey, young man, please, I will not take that from you. Of all things, I will not take. If I might react to every article, but don't clap for me, say at the top. Don't clap, that clap. I'm going to take personal, please.
Why will you take it personal?
Why will you be clapping for me just because I give news?
I like the way when you give the news. Is there anything wrong to clap?
So why must you react by clapping?
Okay, sorry.
You don't cough the first time, laugh the first time. Now clap it, they switch over.
Okay.
Please. So now what got Timi Frank come across the Oyegun, John Oyegun. Now you they responsible. Now if the problem of this party, no cause they find excuse to come talk say now because of this people get interest. So we will see they watch and we will continue to watch.
Nkubi, all these stories we don't give now, these 4 stories, they point to one direction.
Please. Yeah.
And the direction where they point to. The direction where they point to.
Enough.
Which one is enough?
Enough. Let's just address the issue. That's
what I will start from somewhere.
He said it is okay.
The direction when all this topic when we carry come from this weekend, they point in the direction say wahala dey.
Okay, I dey hear.
Thank you.
Okay.
Now when wahala dey, what do you do to stop the wahala from deying? Is by addressing that wahala when dey.
Yes.
Now when you don't address that wahala when dey, wetin go happen? Double what? Wahala. Now, when double wahala come enter the situation, it go come result in what they call catastrophe.
So what exactly are you trying to? Exactly. What do you try drive at?
Now, what they drive at, we say, starting from the smallest story to the biggest story, it shows say, una.
Hey, that is why I will not accept it. I will not accept that from you. I will not accept that from you. Of all things, don't mention una. Don't mention una. Because the people who make up the political elite, who make up our leaders right now, are not members of one particular party. Other people there among. Don't mention una. Once you keep mentioning una, just one-sided thing.
No,
please.
Why your conscience? Why your conscience they judge you?
People will make up.
Did I mention any party?
So why attach me to the system?
Okay, thank you.
Why say una?
What will be the final story when you take? Now Oyegun they do APC. Who told you?
What they want call
Wait, let's start from somewhere.
No, you're now choosing to start from somewhere.
We must start from somewhere.
Why not start from that particular?
We must start from somewhere. Who they do APC?
I know one.
According to who? Timi Frank.
Who
be Timi Frank? Acting National Deputy Publicity Secretary of the what? APC. Why you know they agree accept? He already come and come and say nobody the ambition of people for 2019. As for Oyegun, they talk about the problem. Now he talk about the problem.
APC. The problem of APC, na internal problem.
Internal.
Every political party
internal
and in the same vein.
Internal life. I want to live eternal life.
See,
God
this is what they hold.
Everything where you talk
the
about.
next one, you could just see, I could just, that's your mouth. This thing, this pen, wahoo. The next thing, you could just say now.
Nkubi, no, are you threatening me on national television?
Did I mention, did I use the word threat?
Did
I use the word threat?
The thing when they
I just pointed a pen at you. I pointed a pen at you. I said this pen.
The way if I sue you now for threats, and
Shebi now once they see evidence of say are threatening you. Now you go figure this.
You don't already talk. All my witnesses they house.
No, pointing a pen at you, not threat.
And saying that you were going to throw it into
Did I mention anything? I said this man.
And you are still pointing it to me.
I said this pen.
You are still pointing it to me.
Did I mention? As long as there was there's no specific word attached to the pointing at pen.
Nkubi, you cannot escape from this particular story. What will be the problem of APC?
Why ask me that?
What will be the problem of APC?
I think other political parties know they get problems.
See, Nkubi, we have seen.
Please.
In fact, I don't go speak pidgin again. We have seen. We don't see say.
Why not? Switch over to the English. Huh?
It's my English or my pidgin. Leave it for me.
Switch over to the English.
Okay, now I continue for English. Now, it's very, very clear. Say, some of the facts that we know they go front for this country, whether you like them or not. And everybody don't admit them. Now, because of some people, their interest.
Yes, we know that.
Now, the national chairman of the APC, Oga John Oyegun, he come and talk, say some people, because of their interest for 2019. Now, why did they make them be like, say, the bicycle of Nigeria, the thing know they go fast. But what Oga Timi, excuse me, let me land. No, you are not, no, let me land. Please, let me land. No, let me land.
No, you're not landing anywhere.
I must land.
You're not a car.
I must land.
You are not a
I must land.
You don't be a plane or a helicopter with the land.
I must land.
You're not landing anywhere. You're not landing.
I must land.
You're not landing.
I must land.
You are not landing.
I will land. I will land.
You are not landing.
I will land.
You're already on the ground.
Oga Timi Frank.
You're already on the ground.
I'm not on any ground. I will land.
You are already on the ground.
No, I will land. I just took off. I want to land. Nkubi, make una.
Okay.
Nkubi, I'm warning you people.
Don't.
On behalf of Nigerians.
Please, don't warn me. Don't. Please, of all things. What's that supposed to mean?
On behalf of Nigerians.
What is that supposed to mean?
So you are saying that Nigerians will not reach to warn una?
No. Who are you warning?
We will vote for una.
Who are you warning?
I'm warning you people.
Who are you warning?
Stop all this,
As I said earlier, what makes up the political platform? What makes up the leaders who get?
What causes internal problem?
No.
What causes internal problem? What is causing
pile up of bad leadership in the past?
What is causing internal problem?
Internal problem. It is described as internal.
Why have you not solved it?
It is described as internal.
Is it not affecting all of us?
Internal.
Is it not affecting all of us?
How will an action in a political party affect the leadership of the nation?
Because the people that take the decision for the nation are in that party.
What stirred up this problem in the first place?
We stirred up with
No, Ondo matter. Ondo as a singular state.
No.
Please.
No.
I don't stutter.
Say yeah.
I don't stutter, please.
Which you don't stutter. Which
I don't stutter.
You now when you want lie, now you dey stutter. Now when you want yes.
Me.
No.
Chukwudi, wait.
No.
Now he say when I want lie now.
No. Like see the way one scratch. No. Helicopter. No. When you want lie, now you dey scratch. What stirred up this thing? Nkubi, we know what they clear.
You know what?
See, you people are a gathering of strange bedfellows. A gathering of strange bedfellows.
Now the gathering of strange bed.
Now you just use your mouth talk and say all of una come together. Now una come together, una no fit balance una interest, and Nigerians are suffering. Bag of rice still dey the part when e dey.
How does that affect the leadership of the president?
Because the decision wey una suppose take, una dey allow una internal problem. They affect them.
Tell me this political party issue. Who are these people who get the issue? Should they get any political appointment?
Thank you, Nkubi.
Then get any political appointment. Where they approve? Where they affect the nation?
The headline of Punch newspaper: $30 billion loan, fresh Wait.
How is that related to the internal crisis in APC?
Excuse me.
How is it related to the internal crisis in APC?
Fresh executive National Assembly clash looms. When we say fresh, what do we mean? Recent, new one, when one come. Executive led by Oga Presido. National Assembly led by the Senate President and the Speaker. Two of us. Clash is a fight where two people jam their head together. Nkubi, Oga Presido, when they lead the executive, which party in the APC? The people when they lead the National Assembly, which party in the APC? Now tell me why there should be a clash. When the people when we say they're the same party, now that internal problem when you talk, that's the problem we are facing in this country. And now why Timi from know they talk since we now know 1 year. He don't talk and say, maybe we now stop to the blame. Now we gonna go with the problem. And Nkubi, if you people don't find a permanent solution to that problem, I'll give people your phone number and your address. They will begin to ask you because now you've been come here. They tell us say now like this thing will be, and now nobody will want to see him. Nobody will want to see him. Nobody will. Don't call my name like say you fit do me anything.
Listen, she just mentioned for national TV say you go give people my number.
Say you mention for national TV say you go choke me sharp object inside my throat.
Chukwudi, and I can't ask one question. The National Assembly we mentioned now, who makes up this National Assembly?
Who is the leadership of the National Assembly? Which party?
And you talk as if for other countries, the executive and the legislative, then they get issues.
Okay.
I mean, issues that they get now to find a lasting solution or probably to channel a proper course we go fit bring us out for certain issues or we will lead the country forward.
The issue where they get, they lead this country forward.
Chukwudi.
The issue where they get, they lead this country forward.
Are heading somewhere.
Heading where? Heading to Ghana. Heading to Ghana.
God forbid.
Which God forbid?
God forbid.
Which God forbid?
We will never head to any Ghana.
Which story?
Of all things, we will never head to any Ghana.
Story.
Chukwudi, if the previous government get it wrong, this particular government, I still believe my spirit, my innermost spirit, say this government.
Who could be the people who get them wrong for the previous government? Where they now?
Why they ask me that one?
No.
Why they ask me that one? No. Why they ask me that one?
Who could be? Whether you like them or not, all the story we don't carry come today. Now they cost them 30 billion naira. The money get behind. Una say una want do power. How una want do power?
Please.
Una want build road. Which road una want build?
You don't do.
Who could be wait?
Don't get me involved in anything. Don't say una. What is the meaning of una? I want to take it. Look, please, really, Chukwudi, I'm back from my, I'm fully back. I don't.
From your national assignment.
Thank you very much. Either thing, I don't know what to tell Nigerians, but I'm back, and please, I come back here with a different orientation.
But without the truth. No, you came back without the truth.
I came back here with different orientation.
No, you came back here without the
orientation.
Truth.
You don't try spoil them for
Story.
me. You don't try spoil, ruin that orientation. Chukwudi, please.
Okay.
Please. Hey, listen, please and please. Respect yourself.
Nkubi.
If we need to address issues.
No, they bring your voice. No, excuse me. No, they bring you. No. Wait. Let me wait with this one.
Listen.
Why they talk like Olu Jacobs? No, they bring your voice down. They tell me.
No,
Chukwudi. I came with a different one.
My voice they bring. I they now warning. Very fair warning. Chukwudi, don't push me to the wall. I'm telling you.
You people that have already pushed Nigerians to the wall, you say make we not push you to the wall.
Don't push Nkubi to the wall.
Okay, you say now, okay, make I use voice. See, Nkubi, if you see, I will continue to speak for Nigerians and I will continue to raise my voice. I will continue to ask you. You will continue to receive fire on this show until 2019 when Nigerians will come out and say this is what we want for this our country. There is nothing that you can do. There is nothing that you can do. There is nothing that you can do. Nkubi is just a name. Nkubi is a name that sounds like somebody that is facing problem now. Nkubi.
Oh, is that what you want? You know what? This program go end.
What do you want to do?
This program.
What do you want to do in the program?
I just tell you, this program go end.
You when we say before, I've been the pity you.
This program go end.
Okay, Nkubi, we go throw phone lines open now.
This program go end.
For 2 weeks, I don't they cover you, I they pity you.
They cover who?
I they cover you now.
They cover who?
Because I they defend waiting.
We have a caller from Shomolu. Josephine, good morning. Welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Josephine, good morning. One Nkubi, please.
Welcome back. We missed you.
Thank you very, very much for missing me. Let me even bring my voice down.
Because I tell APC they should resolve their internal crisis. I miss you, Chukwudi, too, but I miss Nkubi much.
Thank you, Josephine.
They should resolve their
we actually addressing. We are
allow her talk. Which one is? She's talking to you. You are talking back.
Because anything they are doing now is affecting us.
Oh,
it's
okay.
affecting us seriously because with the internal problem they are having, They won't be able to look at the problem, the national issue Nigeria is having. Let them resolve their chairman, the secretary, whatsoever. Let them resolve it. And going to borrow money is not what we need. They should tell us why they want to borrow money. They have been borrowing money. They have recovered loot. What are they doing with the loot that was recovered? Let them tell us how much was recovered, what they intend doing with the money that was recovered, what they want to borrow, what would they do, the layout plan. So
Thank you.
See, we've been hearing this for long, and the change we want is a change that will bring a positive thing to Nigeria. God bless Nigeria. God bless Nigeria.
And we are heading that way. Madam Josephine, thank you very much for this solid contribution.
How many you want to put for the thank you?
Now, we need to respect our Nigerian women.
Woman.
Yes. We have another caller on the line. Good morning.
Hello?
August Sunday.
Yeah, how are you?
Good morning, August Sunday, all the way from Ikorodu. Talk to us, we hear you.
How are you doing?
We are fine.
Please, I'm calling in respect of the money federal government want to borrow, $30 billion.
Yes.
Please, there is something bad in borrowing money.
Okay.
But the most important thing is what you do with the money borrowed.
Okay.
Please, any project that the federal government wants to do with the money, let federal government list all the projects. Back up with EFCC to follow the contractor that the job will be given to. Let EFCC and the contractor work hand in hand in doing the job, so that the money will be spent judiciously. And Nigerians will see where the money is being spent. So that is just what we need.
Thank you.
So there is something bad in borrowing money, but it's how the money will be utilized for the benefit of Nigerians. That is what we are saying.
Thank you.
Oga Sunday, thank you very much for that same contribution. You don't talk you talk as a sincere Nigerian. We'll do it. We want development. We want at least for the country to move forward. We have another caller on the line. Good morning. Oga Hafiz. Hafiz, good morning. Okay, so Chukwudi.
Oga Sunday don't finish work. And Nkubi, the question from what Oga Sunday and Madam Josephine don't talk now say, can we trust you people? No. You know why? No, wait, let me know. Allow me to land.
We are all involved in this.
No, allow me to land.
We are all involved in this.
No, we are not all involved.
We are not all
involved. The person when they go market.
Now we the government.
The person
no more contact say, when the actor say, stay una. Una waiting.
Don't play Baba Jabu with Nigerians.
Nobody's playing Baba Jabu with Nigerians.
The person when they go market, go buy waiting and they use the prepare soup. And the person when cook soup, now two different people. So please don't come and tell us that we are all involved. The truth be say, who they go collect this money on behalf of Nigerians?
Nigerians should be involved
but
as well.
But can we trust you?
It is also our responsibility as Nigerians.
Hold
on. It is also our responsibility as Nigerians to also say, okay, if now they borrow money, we want they involved for this money.
Thank you. Nkubi.
We want to know where and where this money
Nkubi. If
Nigerians come and come stand on their ground, it's just say it is a government just spend money anyhow.
Not even can do say if Nigeria can cost that. Somebody like you now, when like okra soup, if you carry 450 naira, give your wife, make she go buy what she go use cook okra soup because I know say now that kind of 450
please, go straight to your example, please.
I'm giving you an example.
We have another caller. Hey, please just hold on to your example. I don't want your example. Okra, Mr. Okra, don't do you, please. Ogobiora, good morning.
Good morning, Nkubi. You are welcome for the national assignment.
Thank you very much, Ogobiora.
But this one where you fight, say you go into assignment. You like say you don't trust yourself again.
I don't trust him.
No, you don't trust yourself. Let me go for the main point of today.
Okay.
You see what I want to talk, Nkubi? This 30 billion where I won't go borrow. When I say that go borrow money for Jazzy or in an Islamic bank, for the same railway, for the same agri, for the same power, now I want to go borrow 30 billion again for the same project. I think when I want to put us into danger before when I quit this government. Assuming that the other government borrow such money, now where when I enter, when I feel see money where when I go borrow.
Ogobiora, the question here
say he's coming, wait, he's coming. Ogobiora, continue.
If you borrow 30 billion today, and you give them the same people, whether they obey rule of the law, where they destroy our law, they do what they want, make they go what they want. We want to make people pay our money back.
Under the supervision of a very strong president.
Excuse me, let him talk.
Because they cannot just go borrow money without telling us how we are going to pay the money back. That is the most important thing. Borrowing money is not the problem. The problem is how are you people going to pay the money back within this year? So what I want to ask you.
Okay, no, don't worry. You don't highlight the part of the
thank you very much for that your important question.
No,
we will go this break, come back. When we come back from this break, Nkubi must answer that question. I must make sure that you answer that question because Nigerians are asking.
Did they ask?
What is your plan for the money? When are you going to pay the money back? Are we going to see the road? What are you going to do with the money? Show us what you want to do with the money. Let it be clear.
The same place and the same pain.
No.
Why did the plane explode?
I almost died.
Two different moments.
I urgently need a doctor to check her. Miss, please, a doctor.
Two stories.
You put your own life at risk just for me.
Well.
Thank you.
And the same desire. Televisa presents Loving You Is All I Want. We'll try to destroy the present.
Take her away from your brother. She is dangerous.
Only this time, love will have more than one obstacle ahead. Kariem Lozano, Cristian de la Fuente, Diana Bracho, José Elías Moreno, Flavio Medina, a Carlos Moreno's production. Loving You Is All I Want.
Everything is against us, but what brings us together is stronger than what can separate us.
Hey, this one a better opportunity for you to take grow your business, yo. On top of Wazobia Max Free TV. This one for affordable price. Price is starting from 5,000 naira. Yes, yo. For Lagos, make you just call their number. With 01-271-0244. Go reach 7. Make you send mail. Go info@wazobiamax.ng. Hey, cheap advert for you to fit sell your business. Grab this opportunity now.
Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. Ezugwu Chukwudi and Nkubi still there inside studio. And quickly, based on say some people videos they join us now, we go like giving all the information we need to know based on how we don't start from 10 o'clock go reach this very o'clock when we do so. We bring the first story, say $30 billion loan. We ask whether that money it gets any bearing so because G's don't come and say the National Assembly don't put their leg down, say this particular money so government must give them everything when they want to use that money to because it don't be like say somehow with they borrow money and they enter some kind of people pocket. From now on we enter the arms scandal and say Oga Dasuki. Gist don't come out from some of the lawyers them talk say Oga Presido before good luck Ebele Jonathan say they go call him in as witness to come talk what he know about that $2.1 billion US. And for the Boko Haram jaguda we going to ask say that whether they be cut with 9 lives because December of 2015 and we been hear information say Boko Haram has been defeated technically but somehow the way when they don't operate now it be like say somehow they don't want to gain some small leg but we salute our JTF, the civilian JTF and also our gallant soldier people. And the final one get to do with the talk when we say the person when we say in the talk say na him be the deputy publicity secretary national but people they talk say in just they make noise Oga Timi Frank he come and talk say na Oga Oyegun na him be the problem of the APC. The reason why we discuss this particular matter na say the ruling party na the APC and then they take certain decisions but if they can't get internal problem like Nkubi they try paint them like say you know serious where will they go for this particular country? But Nkubi, please, can you kindly answer the question posed by one of our great callers all the way from Yola, Oga Obiora? What do you people want to do with that $30 billion US? Are we going to see the result? Will EFCC be involved? Will you build roads? Will you improve our health care? Will you improve the education? Over to you, please. 10 Nigerians.
See, on this platform.
Wait, Nkubi, now me ask question. No, wait, no, sorry, Nkubi. Now me ask question, you can't cough as a way of acknowledging my question. Meaning say what I ask now nonsense.
See, in the first place.
No, wait. Why you don't even smile?
Listen. In the first place, you don't have any rights whatsoever to ask me question.
When Oga Obiora ask you?
No. Oga Obiora they drop statement say look this money make them make sure say.
Statement in a question.
Wait. Say make them make sure say this money he do the right thing. Say that make them monitor and ensure say the money they use it judiciously. You hear me?
But in your own case, I am not your guest. You don't have any right whatsoever to come and ask me questions.
Okay, why they open mouth today?
I did tell you because it has gotten this far.
Nkubi, no, you cannot Maradona out of this situation.
I'm not Maradona in out of
Una tell us say una wan use 30 billion, build road, build house, build school, improve health.
Wait, make the money come first now.
Hey! Make we wait, make which money come?
Wait, make the money come first.
Make we wait, make the money come before we know what una wan use am do.
Under the supervision of Oga President, strong man wey you and I respect.
Nkubi, na that one dey vex me. No dey talk say strong man under the super. No.
Hold on now.
Government is not about one man. If God forbid, we can't get new president.
Thank God
and you don't come a strong man.
Government is not all about one man. We should also get ourselves involved.
How do we get ourselves involved if you don't tell us?
By holding our leaders accountable.
How do we hold you accountable if you are not open to us?
But at least we dey aware say $30 billion they wan borrow.
Nkubi, you dey talk this 30 billion like say na 300 naira. You dey talk this 30 billion like say na 3 billion. You dey talk like say na 300.
Nigerians don dey aware now say $30 billion naira. Say Nigeria,
$30 billion.
Say we wan borrow am.
Why you go dey talk?
It is also our right to say okay, fine, our ear go dey ground. Una don tell us make we also know where this money go enter.
Before we put our ear for ground, una suppose tell us say okay, this 30 billion out of this 30, 1 billion go into education for Nigeria. If that 1 billion go
that
into
is
education,
why we get the National Assembly where they ask that question now.
Why they go to ask that question?
Is it not the right to ask?
Is it not your right to tell us first before we ask?
Is it not the right to ask?
If you give your wife 450 naira.
What is wrong with? Okay, fine. The executive they carry out a particular plan. They don't carry some people along. Okay, the legislative not come out and say we don't understand what is happening here. Get us along. What is this money meant for? What now want to channel into? Because they are also the representative of the people.
So why okay, who come to the conclusion?
Say waiting.
Say all the problem when Nigeria they face today, if they want solve am, na 30 billion they will take solve am. Who come to that conclusion?
Why ask me that?
Which one is why I'm asking you that?
We have a caller.
Which one is why I'm asking you that?
Why ask me that? Why don't go meet them there? Go there. Why would they ask me? Which kind of question be there? Why would they ask me? Oga Polycarp. Good morning. Which kind of question be they ask me?
After Oga Polycarp, you will see what I will do you.
Eh?
Oga Polycarp, welcome. We have a caller.
You see?
Oga Polycarp, welcome.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp. You should be warning him, not me. Warn him.
Nkubi.
Oga Poly.
Cool down. Cool down.
At the year.
When I asked of you last week, when he told me he went for an assignment, he not saying anything against you. He not saying anything bad against you.
He come from a church, mind.
He not saying anything bad against you.
That's why he talk. I take talk. Which kind of tone he take talk am?
He said he went for an assignment. He's coming back on Monday.
Okay. Okay.
So please don't fight him. It's too early for him to tell.
Okay.
It's more than a new month.
Okay.
Okay, wait. For the issue at stake.
Okay.
I think there is no need for Buhari to go and borrow that money. Like just been talk. They never accounted for all the money they covered. When they come accounted for it, we don't know how much it be. Know whether you can see it borrow or not. But then you just want to start the work first. Secondly, the Dasuki should be careful. Not be afraid to shut and say he's the innocent of the money. I can make an involvement in his case. He has the British chiefs, when they work with him, they find with them for office, like Alex and Co. Make all them, make them be witness to him. Oyegun is not a problem with APC. APC has fallen apart. So, and this fallen apart, the Southern cannot roll. So they're looking for an excuse now. Thank you all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. If not be say this show, we must do until 11. I for just talk say, we padlock the show because Oga Polycarp don't finish work.
Padlock waiting.
He don't finish work.
No, go ahead and padlock.
He don't finish work.
Because we know we'll get more calls.
He don't finish work. When Oga Polycarp talk, after he talk this kind of finish for debate, now what you go talk say, with these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you that you are the problem that we are facing in this country.
You are the problem. Now you go be the problem.
We get somebody when they call us from Lagos.
Now be the problem.
We get somebody when they call us from Lagos.
Now be the problem.
Allow us pick this call.
Oga Dolakpo, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, we hear you.
Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning.
Now for you.
What can I do now? What can I don't do now?
It be like say this your national assignment and it make sense for you well.
I mean,
the money where they want borrow.
Okay.
How much be your own percentage from it?
Me? I'm a transparent Nigerian.
Transparent.
We not see you transparent this morning.
I am transparent. My hands are clean.
Your hands are not clean. From what I'm seeing here, there are lines on your hands.
Hey, I'm warm.
It be like saying that the money they draw the line.
Oga Dolakpo, how much of me do you know?
Chukwudi, don't bring in that attitude there.
It is
There are
well.
lines on your
But
hand,
the
naira
issue
lines.
is- The issue is we are tired of borrowing. Very soon now, they will give Nigeria house as debt repayment if we continue like this. So please and please, we don't want to borrow again. From what we have, how much have they recovered? Fine. Our problem is no money. Our problem happens to be our policy. It's not money. Money can't solve everything. You even give every beggar on the street money today. It won't still solve the problem. Let's change our policy, the way we think, the way we live. With that, life will be better for everybody. Don't just think about the rich and the rich alone. Everybody have rights to live.
Exactly.
And make life comfortable and available and accessible for everybody. And with that, we'll have a better Nigeria. Going abroad to borrow money, all the money, about 70% of them will still go to the arms of government for them to pay salaries, pay allowances, pay expenses, going abroad and all that. The little that will remain, it won't even be enough to tie down any meaningful project. So enough of borrowing. Let them reduce the cost of government. That is one. Reduce the cost of government. If you have 100% of money in Nigeria today, 65 is going to House of Assembly, House of Representatives, and the executives. What are we doing? If you are collecting this bulk of money, we bring in $200 billion today. Their share is waiting for them. What we have left won't be enough to do any meaningful program. Let us do this policy. Let's put them in place first. If we have money, then we'll have reasonable things to do with money. Bring in any money today, the money will just follow the normal pipeline it has been following. That gets to Mr. Nkubi's backyard.
I don't have any backyard that any money lands.
Oga Dolapo, thank you very much for this intelligent contribution. Reduce the cost of government.
Very much.
If you reduce the cost of government, we will know where you are, what you are spending the money for.
We have a caller.
You have a caller.
We have a caller.
Reduce the cost of government.
Are they government?
We have a caller.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Where they call us from? And what will be your name?
Alaba.
Okay, Oga Marco. Good morning. Would they hear you?
Thank you.
Right on, right on.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Marco. I beg, if your television there on, I beg, reduce them. So you will hear us well as well.
Good morning.
They talk, they go, they talk. Just they talk.
My man, well done.
Well done, thank you. Make your contribution.
That's when I don't fight.
Okay.
Hey, Oga Marco. And everybody will start talk with the team, be say, now Nkubi, they won't fire.
It's a lie.
The team be say,
it is a fallacious lie.
Make
una no fight. The first one, make una no fight. The thing be say, make we allow this government, make we even know this money, how they will take use to like that.
Lie.
And what if he was going to say that?
Nah, lie. You cannot go from so to do.
You can't go from do to sonko.
I went from do to re. You cannot go from so to do. Do re, not so do.
Now you know how to address, read people's mind.
Make una no fight.
Now you know how to read people's mind.
Make una no fight.
They talk what the person want to talk about.
Make una no fight.
I beg you don't do. Let's go for another break.
The team be say re.
We have another caller. We have another caller.
Sunday they call us on a Monday. Oga Sunday, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Oga Sunday, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yes.
This is Sunday from Lekki.
Okay, right down, Oga Sunday, we dey hear you.
How you dey?
We dey fine.
I dey listen to una program. I dey enjoy una program. Oh, now Timi I come here agree to una.
Thank you very much,
Oga Sunday. Something where they talk no dey right o.
Who? Chukwudi abi?
Nkubi.
No, the name sounds familiar.
The one where Chukwudi dey talk is okay.
Thank you.
The one where Nkubi dey talk is no dey right.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Sunday. God bless you. We'll go quickly enter this break. You see what you lose finish you?
No, he finish you.
Now you finish.
Don't you ever talk to the person finish
me.
Make
we wait, make them borrow $30 billion first.
Don't ever talk to the person finish me.
But you know he finish you.
I take finish me.
He finish you.
I take finish me.
He has finished you.
Igbo West now. No be that nice call you go now. Chelsea, red devil for life.
No be that don't say your bubu na designer can be clean. Like be your bubu.
Now, who did they take enter marriage? If you push, you go front, go. If you push, you go back, go. If you push, you enter gutter, enter. If you push, you throw it from main road, go like that. You know like that,
I no be your sweet potato. After you don't beat me, Philo no be your sweet potato. Benjamin and Philo matter don't end.
To join in on the fun on your number one hit music station, 96.9 Cool FM, follow us on Twitter at Cool FM Nigeria. Cool FM, your number one hit music station.
Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. Ezugwu Chukwudi and Nkubi still inside studio, and on top of that, OGBONGE politics discussion show and the chairman television station Wazobia TV. And to make everybody better sweet, I go over all the places where we say you feel see us, so that excuse no go they say you know they watch this show when they discuss the problems when they affect us inside the world of Nigeria. Give you license to talk am as the team be you for body. On top of Go TV na channel 98, Star Times channel 195, My TV channel 17. On top of where you need to turn your antenna small, UHF 57, Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, and also on top of DSTV channel 259. We also do on top of internet. So call your loved ones when they're outside Nigeria. Tell them say they're going to see us live and direct. www.wazobiatv.tv/live. And we don't carry all the action to come from Monday. Based on all the calls we don't get, Nkubi don't weak. Even need balance. Now why in the rest of the table?
Who tells her weak?
Why you?
I was expecting you to just
tell our viewers
the platform they watch us. Waiting me weak.
You say make we wait until we see 30 billion before we know what they want use and do. I'm suspecting you. I'm suspecting you.
Not be still our own right.
Which your right?
Not be our own right as Nigerians to say okay. We don't hear.
We don't hear wait 30 billion.
Hold on.
$30 billion. We don't hear.
Hold on.
Is it 30 million?
Hold on. Okay. Oga President, federal government, where this money will head to? And also do it to monitor where the money, eventually where they will put the money, monitor them.
I disconcur.
Disconcur with it.
I disconcur.
You don't ever concur?
I disconcur.
You don't ever concur?
No, you see, Nkubi.
You don't ever concur?
Don't tell me that. Excuse me.
Don't tell me to excuse you. Don't ever tell me to excuse you. Excuse you, I owe you. I owe you. But you tell me, may I excuse you? I tell Nigerians the right way to do.
What do you mean writing when
follow up?
What do you mean writing when what do you mean by follow up? You when you say you talk say, oh, we know Nigerians are suffering. We won't go borrow this money, make Nigerians' life better. You don't need to tell us say this money where they borrow. So period we now go begin to say. What do you mean by?
We have a caller. Please, let's collect a call.
You are trying me. Oh.
He tell me say before say she don't want me to say.
Okay, no wait.
Oga Sule, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Sule. Talk to us, we hear you.
Mr. Nkubi.
Yes.
How's your league?
Well, it was fine. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
My brother over there.
Thank you very much.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Sule.
Please, what I want to tell you there is NDC built on a sandy soil. That is the reason why they cannot be able to make any impact to Nigerians.
On a sandy soil.
On the sandy soil. If it is said NDC comes with the mind of helping the common Nigerian, definitely sure they will not have the crisis they are having today. It is too early for them to have that crisis. But Nkubi, it seems to me Nkubi, after his leave, maybe there's something they call him to give him a package. That's the reason why he's backing what they are saying. To borrow the money and then they insult Nigerians.
Oga Sule.
Yes, sir.
I've always been on the path of truth.
Oga Sule, continue. You want to hit somewhere. Continue.
Oga Nkubi, the point there is that this government comes in with various promises. And they cannot be able to establish one. They said to us that they are going to even finish Boko Haram in 3 months. Then what is happening up today? So please, Nkubi, don't continue backing the lies. Please.
Oga Sule.
You don't have any focus for us. Thank you very much.
But thank you very much, Augustine. But
Thank
still,
am well. Thank am well.
I don't thank am.
No, thank am well.
What now?
Thank am well.
It was not prostrate.
When Madam Josephine come, say thank you. Thank am well. You must thank him. No, you must thank him well.
Let me address this.
Thank him well first.
Let me address this.
Thank him well first.
I don't thank him.
You must thank him well.
Come first, my mouth.
Thank him well.
Come first, my mouth.
Sule, thank you very much for that contribution. And every other person went on call to talk the truth for inside this matter.
talks on. He say make we know they back this government. Say they don't get.
He no say make we no back the government. He talk say make you know the back wetin no be true. That's what he said.
But then we still believe in a system where we say yes. A government they come into a particular system or to ensure that at least the people where they live for the make up the government do it at least see better life. So make we still allow this government see how at least let's say how far they can go. That's just the thing. Because if we continue to criticize, well, at least we're not helping issues.
Could be one question.
We need to also at least support the system. Make we see results.
Could be one question.
I hope this question you're not directing to me.
I'm not directing it to you.
Better.
Now, at some point, we been dey complain say one government they waste money, then they spend money, executive they spend money, legislature they spend money, and that time we even agree say things better. We can't reach that. No.
It is very, very visible. Say then they lavish money. No, even they lavish money.
Okay.
We see what they play after Chukwudi.
Okay.
Carry money just a dash shot as if na bonanza a season of doling out money we dey.
But we don't enter government of change.
Yeah.
The way when we dey spend money before, we no still dey spend money like that.
But at least we don't still cut costs to an extent.
Where the cut? Wait, where the cut dey? Let me see the cut. Where is the cut?
We don't cut costs.
Which cut we cut?
At least we don't cut costs in some areas.
Which area? Tell us the area. Tell Nigerians. Tell Nigerians the area.
Bear in mind, say before now, how many ministries be there under previous?
Waiting be ministry.
No, now.
Waiting be ministry.
We can't cut down on waiting the number of ministries we get. Can't steal some into one particular ministry.
Before now,
not save money from there.
Before now, how much our senators them the 109? How much they collect?
I know, but Oga President on the own part also cut costs.
Till now, they still know they collect them.
Why
House of Reps 360. Before now, how much they collect? They still know they collect them. No, they come and they tell me say, Oga President.
When you talk say people never make attempt, say leaders never make attempt to cut costs.
Nkubi, please.
We don't see at least the federal government on their own part cut costs. We also see some other areas where they cut costs.
Which area?
Just as I mentioned earlier.
Which area?
We have Big Joe. Big Joe, they call us from PH. Good morning.
Nkubi, good morning. And
good morning.
Chukwudi, I greet you.
I greet you, Oga.
Yes, so I beg. Nkubi go apologize to Chukwudi because the cover when cover you here is too much.
He cover me?
Yes, okay. They cover you. So you come, you begin the quarrel. I mean, not there.
No, I go apologize to her. Not be now. After the program, because anyway, Chukwudi, anyway, come out from Chukwudi mouth, we need to go investigate them.
Okay. Okay, I won't chook mouth for that on a borrowing issue. Yes, that. But when I remember, say, Oga Presido don't go China to go borrow money. That money, he don't collect them or he never collect them. If they don't collect them, what will they take and do?
You know, say that particular...
The one from India, I remember India promised to give some money and then to come invest here on certain things. Then those things not there among the things they won't use this money to.
Oga Big Joe, bear in mind, say, once a nation don't go into agreement with another nation, the actions that they take, you know, they not be an immediate, they say they will just carry the time money give you. You get a particular duration of period where the money supposed to span. And at the process, they're still there.
Which process?
We don't become borrowing country.
Borrowing country, you see.
Hold on.
Oga Big Joe, thank you very much for this your important contribution.
What is that?
We go end up there. You go China, you won't borrow money.
That?
Wait, you go China to borrow money.
What is that?
Now you won't borrow another money again. Borrow, make me fine. Borrow, make me fine. Nkubi, Nigerians are waiting for you people. We are going to stand up. In fact, you will see it. Our people, whenever us, they talk and say, Nigeria and our country, it no go spoil. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come up plenty smoke. Thank you now for all those wake up to tell Nkubi the truth.
Don't you
apologize
ever
to me. Apologize to me.
Say,
no, you will not leave until you will not leave until you apologize.
Nigeria, tomorrow.
You will not leave until you apologize.
Hold me now.
You will not leave until you apologize.
Hold me, touch me.
This week on Coke Studio Africa, we go behind the scenes with Cynthia Morgan from Nigeria